Yes, we have we're working on the scheduling now, but there will be showings internationally. We just cannot confirm exactly all the places just yet, but expect to have at least one.
Yeah, heard from my friends from Spain, no? Madrid, that a lot of Filipinos there, they're organizing screenings, no? Kasi they're all so excited na makita ka ulit at isama mo daw si Astin sa pagbabalik mo sa Madrid. Kasi ang dami mong mga naging friends mo eh.
Yes, marami kong mga Pinoy na friends sa Madrid and miss ko sila talaga kasi they were my livelihood and they helped me survive talaga throughout my college experience. And sana, if we could have the chance to go back to Spain also so that Ash could see, I could take her around sa Madrid, you know, and it would be really great if we could get the chance to have a vlog screening sa Madrid.
Yeah, ang bongga, mukhang gusto mo siyang ilibot nga talaga sa sinabi mo. If there's three places in Madrid na special sa'yo, saan mo siya dadalhin and why?
In Madrid, para sa akin, siguro Retiro Park sa Madrid, which is like it's the most famous park in Madrid.
Yeah, ang laki niya, no?
Yes, very beautiful park.
Napagod ako sa kakalipon, di ba?
Nakapunta ka na ba?
Yeah.
Ang ganda, di ba? It's very nice.
Yeah, where else?
Retiro Park. Ano pa? I'll bring her sa university ko para makita niya.
And one more, and why?
Where else pa in Madrid? Basta I will tour her around. Pag nandyan na, if the opportunity is there, then yun na.
Ayan, aabangan niya ng mga fans nyo. Katulad ng aabangan nila ang minamahal on September 24. Congratulations and good luck!
Thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat po. Wow! May passport ka naman, Ash.
Meron. Ready na.
Ready ka na? So yung pala yung nakapake din ng maleta. Parang pumunta ka na sa Madrid. Okay guys, pero for the information of everyone, again, we're gonna be showing on September 24th sa Philippines po yan, 26th sa USA and Canada. Of course, sa Middle East, coming soon pa yan to be announced. And of course, sa ibang bansa pa, lahat yan to be announced. Again, 24 Philippines, 26 po sa USA and Canada. There we go. You guys are global force. Grabe. Talaga naman itong mga friends ko to. Okay, tuloy naman tayo. Next on the list, we have, let's call in from Manila Bulletin, Robert Lacantina.
Hello, magandang hapon.
Hello po.
Congratulations sa Andres and Ashley and kay Direk. Kay Direk mo, Direk. So, paano mo i-describe ang chemistry ni Andres at ni Ashley? And nung nag-shoot ba kayo, madali mo bang labas yung projection nilang dalawa para maging magical yung dating sa screen?
On and off screen, they have chemistry. Tapos, dito sa pelikulang ito, di ba kapag romance yung genre, yung actors dapat nilalabas mo yung chemistry, yung kilig. That's the least of my worries. Kasi on their own, kaya na nila yan.
So talaga parang natural na yung chemistry nila.
Oo.
And then kay Andres and Ashley, okay, matagal na rin kayo magkakilala. Pero sa paggawa niyo ng minamahal, anong na-discover niyo sa isa't isa na bago?
Na bago?
Yes, so kung may bago kayong discover sa isa't isa.
Ikaw na lang
While shooting the film.
Siguro, ang na-discover ko kay Andres ngayon is sobrang nakakatawa po pala siya. Kasi before nagjo-joke siya, parang kailangan ko pakilitin yung sarili ko para matawa. Pero ngayon, super funny niya po. Lumabas talaga yung goofy side niya and sobrang effortless niya magpatawa.
Wow, good answer. Hindi ko na-expect yun. Ano kaya? Yung bago?
Andres to Ash naman. Ano yung bago na discover mo kayo? Yes. Alam ko madami ka na alam sa kanya eh. Pero ano yung bago?
Di ko maiisip kasi ano to. Para sa akin, like, from ang Madyanang Section E pa lang, when we were ready, first initially paired, I learned a lot of things about Ash already and parang nagagets ko naman yung character niya and everything.
Oo, tama. Hinuhulaan niya. Minsan dinay ko na nahihiya ako. Sabi, hindi, nahihiya ka. Sige na nga, oo, tama ka. Alam mo niya.
Ano na lang, Andres, siguro ano yung pinaka-gusto mong quality ni Ashley?
Si Ash?
Yes.
Talagang how genuine she is. You know, even when we have our conversations on set, I really enjoy it and I look forward to it every day. And even coming to work every other day on set, I enjoy having these conversations with the Ash and yun, very genuine.
Okay. Maraming salamat kayo. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. Next, let's call in from TV5, Von Belinario. Okay, let's proceed with from TikTok and People's Journal, Tita Aster Amoyo.
Pero, ay baby Hill. Ay direct.
Saan po kayo?
Dito ako. Tumayo na ako, tumayo na ako.
May silaw kasi.
Kay Astin and of course Andres. Una-muna, congratulations.
Thank you.
Astin muna. Astin, you've been around for quite some time. I remember 2016 ka nagsimula, right? So it took you some 9 years bago mo na-realize yung pangarap mo. Dumating ba yung point na parang medyo impatient ka na sa kahihintay na parang walang nangyayari sa career mo until of course pagdating ni Andres sa buhay mo?
Siguro hindi ko masabing impatient. Siguro mas more on parang dumating ako sa point na in-accept ko na parang hindi talaga, if hindi ito yung para sa akin, parang willing akong i-give up siya or willing akong mag-take ng ibang career. And yun po yung like yung 7 months po akong walang work tapos dumating po yung mutihan ng sectioning.
Andres, nauna sa iyo ang kakambal mo, of course, si Atasha, right? Nauna siya, she was ahead sa pasok sa showbiz. At that time kasi parang hindi ka pa decided na pumasok. So what made you finally decide na sundan mo yung yapak ng kapatid mo?
Actually, prior naman, it was, we already knew, or we already kind of decided naman that it was going to go there, in that direction naman. Mas nauna lang si Tash kasi also, she finished her studies before me. And parang, we already knew in our hearts that we wanted to do this. And not only just do it for the sake of doing it, but also given the chance to really work hard and give our best with our craft, because we know that the industry is not an easy place, and you know our parents often would remind us that, but we both knew deep in our hearts that if we just worked hard enough and really gave our effort, talagang maybe sana if the Lord would give it, like things could happen naman. And buti na lang naman, I'm so grateful and really I feel blessed na me and Tasha have been able to, you know, achieve some things in the time being that we've been.
Para sa inyong dalawa, posible bang ma-inlove kayo sa isa't isa? Hindi pa ba? Sabi ng mga fans, oh. Hindi pa ba?
Sorry, can you repeat it?
Kasi usually yung mga love teams, talaga nagkakatuluyan eh, di ba? Nagiging sila talaga. In your case, like what I asked earlier, posible ba kayong ma-inlove sa isa't isa? Although, sinasabi nun ng iba, hindi pa ba?
Like you said, kung possible, anything is possible. Pero, di ko na masabi. Ano na?
Astin?
Same answer po.
So, posible talaga. Malaki ang
Opo, hindi po
chance.
natin masasabi eh, pero tignan po natin.
Yung level ng friendship nyo ngayon, kumusta na? Nasa in a scale of 1 to 10, nasaan na?
Ako 11 ako.
11 na rin ako. Pero totoo, kami ni Ash, we're very close na, and even on the set, on working days, I would like to say, or I would like to believe na we enjoy each other's company naman. And it's always a fun time.
Yeah, mas naging comfortable po kami sa isa't isa ngayon.
Okay.
Yun pa.
Alam ko dalawa lang yung tanong, pero tatanungin ko muna si Direk. Direk, while doing this movie, sabi mo nga may andun yung magic, andun yung chemistry, but of course, meron pa rin kayong napapansin sa kanilang dalawa? Working with this two, kasi first time nyo silang na-direct.
Well, si Ashley nakatrabaho ko na before, so hindi na ako surprised sa kanya. Si Andres, actually, di ba naalala mo yung meron tayong scene na kailangan mong umiyak?
Spoiler!
Well, naalala ko bakit na kailangan mong umiyak. To be honest, na-surprise ako kay Andres kasi I had this thinking na may assumption ako na hindi siya nakakaiyak yun. Pero nung take one pa lang, binigay na talaga niya. So, di ba, parang surpassed my expectations.
Balikan lang kita, Andres. Ano ang pinaghugutan mo dun sa iyak scene na yun?
Para sa akin, I think really it's really the scene. Talagang, kasi malalim talaga yung scene and kahit yung lines ko doon, talagang na-feel ko nung sinasabi ko. Kaya it was easier for me to release those emotions kasi I really felt the lines as I was saying it.
Lastly, kasi kayong dalawa ang bida sa pelikulang ito. This is your first movie together. Wala bang pressure na nararamdaman sa inyong dalawa? Kasi kayong magdadala ng pelikula eh.
Ako po nung una, nung nagkaroon kami ng 12 million views sa first teaser, parang doon po pumasok yung pressure sa akin. Parang na-realize ko doon na hala, taas na expectation ng mga tao. Pero nung na-realize ko po na napapasukan ako ng pressure, kasi hindi ako nakaka-work ng maayos kapag under pressure ako, mas hindi ko nagagawa ng maayos yung trabaho ko. So tinigil ko po agad siya and mas nag-focus po ako doon sa mga dapat po namin gawin.
Andres?
Ako naman, yes, kasi first movie ko to talaga and may pressure yan talaga kasi dahil first naman. Pero sa tingin ko naman kasi mas na-excite ako talaga because this is my first like, film and acting project and really kahit noon pa naman nung bata pa ako, I always dreamed na one day I'd be on the silver screen and jumping from teleserye, from a series to now the silver screen, I can say that I'm in the middle of one of my dreams. And so, for me, parang, it's much more of excitement than pressure. But the pressure is definitely there. And importante din yung pressure, if you want to do a good job and produce good work, you need the pressure in.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Tita Sir Moyo. Next, let's proceed with